Hi everybody, welcome back to Claypot Recipe. Hope all are very safe and taking a lot more precautionary measures in this pandemic period. Only that is possible in this situation to improve your immunity, to strengthen your lungs. We can have many health benefiting food which improves your overall immunity. So today I'm here before you with one yummy recipe. It is I'm going to show how to prepare one biryani using wheat vermicelli. This is the one which I bought from market. Now let's move on to the recipe. So initially we need to roast this vermicelli. So one small packet of wheat vermicelli I've taken. By adding little amount of oil, I'm going to roast. For a while we can sort this. That's enough. Then you can keep it aside. In the same pan you can add nearly 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, sunflower oil I'm taking here. To that I'm adding a bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon and cardamom powder here and maize as well, fennel seed. All these things we need to add. Then we need to add chopped ginger, garlic, dry red chili and green chili. The more we add the green chili, the taste will be more. So 2 chilies you can add, dry red chili and as well as green chili as well. Sort it till the raw smell goes. After that you can add the big onion. And along with that onion we can add little amount of salt so that the onion gets cooked soon. Once the onion turns a texture, you can add carrot. It is finely chopped carrot. You can add. You can saute it for nearly 1 minute. Now it's time to add the spice powders one by one. You can add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Salt it until the raw smell goes. This wheat vermicelli is very easy to cook. It consumes less time even for breakfast, even for lunch or dinner. You can prepare this vermicelli biryani. Now we can add 1 medium-sized tomato. Along with that, I'm going to add nearly 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and thick curd. 1 teaspoon of thick curd is enough. So for most of the biryanis, we used to add the thick curd. This curd this enhances the taste to this biryani. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of thick curd here. You can saute the mixture for nearly 1 minute and you can close it with the lid and let it cook for nearly 4 to 5 minutes. So meanwhile we can prepare the scrambled egg for this recipe that again will enhance the taste. So for that I've taken 3 eggs. To that salt, pepper powder and turmeric. So very thoroughly we need to beat this. So after that you can add to the hot oil which I've poured on the pan. We can scramble it slowly. Once it gets cooked, we can flip over like this. So our scrambled egg is also ready now. You can see our mixture is ready now. Tomatoes has turned too mushy and now we can add hot boiling water to the mixture. We can add the vermicelli now. So after adding the vermicelli, give a thorough mix and we can cook it by closing it with a lid. Our vermicelli is now almost cooked. Now we can finally garnish with scrambled egg. So this is a very good combination as well to have along with raita. Hope you all will like this, because along with this raita, this biryani flavored vermicelli, it gives a yummy taste really. So those who haven't tried any recipe using this vermicelli, or those who are about to try in the form of biryani flavor, you can try in this form. So those who haven't subscribed so far, to please subscribe, like, and don't forget to share. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.